Here's how to create a Fred Again track on FL Studio. For this video, we're going to create a style like Maria. This is house music, so let's start with a tempo of around 130 beats per minute. And we're going to lay down some chords. Since this music has an uplifting sound to it, let's use a major scale. These are our bass notes in the B flat major scale. Now let's build triad chords by skipping a note in the scale and then adding a note and repeating that again. Now let's revoice these chords by shifting notes up and down octaves. This creates a wider sound. Now we need to add layers. These are exactly the same chords, but just with a different sound. For the 2 chord layers, I use this sound from Grain X4 and this sound from Serum. Lead time. We need a soft lead with a ton of reverb. We can use any notes inside of our B flat major scale again. Then simply layer this with a slightly more distorted lead. Here's the 2 presets I use for these lead sounds. Again, both from Grain X4, which is currently on sale and linked in the description of this video. Now that we have the main melody and the chords down, let's get to work on the bass line. We're simply going to copy the bass notes of the chords. We can use a soft sine sub-bass like this, or a plucky synth bass like this. I personally like the pluck. With this style of bass line, we can add a groove and a rhythm to the track, which we can't really do with the sub-bass. Now that this is down, we've just got a few more small elements that we need to add. We have another lead that copies the top notes of our chords. And then a flute pattern, which copies these notes as well, but plays a slightly different rhythm. It's almost layered on top of the clap. And now it's time for us to go onto the drums. We have this perk or top loop, this offbeat open hat, and a 4 on the floor kick. Of course, we have to add sidechain to give it that pulsating sound. Now we just need an emotional vocal and then we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want access to Grain X4, it's currently 50% off to only $49 and linked in the description of this video. As always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.